Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you're new. You know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be showing a back to school hairstyle, or just whenever you just want to have it. These are all the products that I will be using today to do my daughter's hair, and including the hair that we use today. So as you see, I already shampooed and conditioned my daughter's hair, and I went ahead and detangled it and put it into like these twists overnight, and then came back the next day and we got it popping. All right, so Miss Allie do not like to hold her head correctly, so y'all will be seeing little different angles of different sides and all that stuff. So this is not really a how to do braids tutorial. This is just showing you guys a cute little style that you could probably do, and probably even do it better than me, because this is my first time like braiding to the scalp with the fake hair on her. So yeah, I just did what it was gonna do and just did whatever she was gonna let me do. So I sectioned off the hair into 4 sections, and then I went back to the front and I sectioned off the front as well, because I wanted to add like some bangs in the front like you guys saw in the previous clip. So I just clipped away everything using a clip, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started with the back part. So the back part, I did just begin in one section. Each part that I sectioned off in the back, which was like 2 parts, each side had 4 braids. So 4 for the right, 4 for the left, and I just braided it upward into like a ponytail type thing. Okay, so all the parts in the back I just braided up towards the top, and it might look like I'm being a little heavy-handed. I'm not heavy-handed with her, baby. She's not gonna let you be heavy-handed. Not gonna happen. But it's all sped up, you guys. That's why my video is so short. But I just want to come on here and show y'all like a cute little back to school hairstyle that you can do for your daughters, yourself, whatever y'all got going on, you know what I'm saying? Or just whenever you just want to do it. And so I didn't really have to use a lot of the hair. I literally only added in a little bit of hair just to give it an extra length. I didn't add in that much hair. I only added in probably like 4 to 5 pieces, small skinny pieces for each braid. So I didn't really do too much of it. I only used 2 of the bundles inside of the 3-pack that you saw, and I just made it like long by adding in the pieces. So we finished the back part, and now I'm just finally moving on to the top, y'all. And I just had a lot going on this day. I had to stop, give her a break, let her take a nap, eat a snack, eat lunch. It's just so much when you do her hair. But we got it done, y'all. And afterwards, this is what it looks like. And I just went ahead and put it all into a ponytail. And then I wanted to curl the ends because I don't like the, I just feel like it gives more classy, more put together when the ends are curled. So yeah, I just went ahead and did the curls on the ends. I always do the curls on the ends, even when I do my own hair. So I just feel like the more I do this style, or the more I just practice this style, I would get better. But I feel like I did pretty good for the first time or whatever. So what do you guys think? Make sure you like this video if you like these type of videos, and check out more videos like this, because I do show other videos of me doing hair or whatever, doing my hair, doing my daughter's hair. I do show you guys that I have done other tutorials with me doing other videos. So make sure you guys check that out. And if you like these type of videos, once again, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, you guys, subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I thank the people that are already subscribed and supporting. I thank y'all so much. And yeah, just make sure you guys go ahead and check out them other videos if you want to see more hair tutorial videos, all of that. And then this is how everything turned out, you guys. I like it. Clearly she love it. And we'll see y'all in the next one.